Gatecrashing 101. Uninvited but not unnoticed. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a term you might have heard in movies, at parties, or maybe in stories about unexpected guests. Gatecrasher. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. So, if you've ever been curious about this term, stay tuned to become a gatecrashing expert. The term gatecrasher refers to someone who attends a party, event, or gathering without an invitation. They're like uninvited surprise guests, but not always the good kind. The word combines gate, which is a point of entry, with crash, which, in this context, means to attend without approval. The idea is that someone is breaking into an event, not by force, but by being bold enough to enter where they're not supposed to be. The concept of gatecrashing is not new. The phrase itself dates back to the early 20th century. It became popular as media began to cover high-profile events where security and exclusivity were significant. Over time, gatecrashing has been used in various situations, from casual get-togethers to grand weddings or even celebrity parties. Now that you know what a gatecrasher is, let's put it into practice. Here are a few examples. The party was going great until a couple of gatecrashers showed up and started causing trouble. I didn't want to be a gatecrasher, but I followed my friend to the event even though I wasn't invited. Security was tight to prevent any potential gatecrashers. In each of these sentences, the bold word, gatecrasher, is a noun describing someone who arrives uninvited. While being a gatecrasher might seem fun and adventurous, it's important to understand the social etiquette and legal aspects. In many cultures, gatecrashing is considered rude and disrespectful. It can also lead to legal consequences if it involves trespassing. However, in some movies and TV shows, gatecrashers are portrayed as lovable rogues who add excitement to the story. That's all for our chat about gatecrashers. I hope this video helps you understand the term and use it correctly in your conversations. Remember, while it might make for an interesting story, it's always best to show respect for others' privacy and property. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time.